What's up, guys? Beaster Fry here. I got a good video for you today. I have a SEPA 5000 Dimple lock. It's a green belt on the Lockpickers United belt ranking system, and this is like the second Dimple lock I've ever picked. So we're gonna get it on video. All right. Still extremely new to dimple picking. Make sure this is perfectly straight. Alright, this is the flag I'll be using. Now I know you're supposed to pick with whichever direction you're pressing in, but it's easiest if I hold the lock like this for this particular one. So let's start between one. Okay, nothing on the one here. Here's the first set. There we go. Inadvertently set it. And that's it. There's my SEPA.